Hello everyone, welcome back to our Joaquin Adventures, and this time we're on part 2 of our La Union or LU adventure. So we're heading guys to our next destination, which is ang Bahay na Bato. Gandang mamasyal kasi summer ngayon, it is June, so as you see napakaganda ng ambience. So summer na summer talaga. And it's also good the family banding na mamasyal sa ibang mga lalawigan ng ating
A
bansa.
few moments later.
Dito na kami sa Bahay na Bato. Bahay mo ba to o bahay niya ba to? Bahay mo ba to? So, this is our next destination and let's explore what is inside the Bahay na Bato. Palagay ko merong rock doon. Bato yun eh. So, let's go guys. Oh. Mga Osaka boys. Osaka boys. Bahay na ba to? O bahay niya ba ta? Tara. Picture muna kayo dyan. Bahay. Bahay ni Kuya. Uy. Batong-bato nga. Ganda naman ito. Ganda ng wood art. Ah, ganda. Parang botanical. Botanical garden ba? Museo. So let's go to the museum or art gallery. Oh, lakad lang kayo dyan. Ito art. Dito oh.
Ayun yung art pala.
Ito art gallery. Ito muna tayo.
Dapat nasa sa likod.
Makapal. Iba yung ano nila oh. Pebbles nila. Pasok. See the art, Kins. You like art, right, Kins? You are an artist, right? So see the arts.
Picture mo. Just picture mo.
Just picturean mo si mami mo. Go, Kins. How you see the art? You like the art, right?
This art good on it.
Yeah, even the floor has an art.
Also look down there.
Okay.
Is this mom? Oh yeah. Kina, come here.
Ay, Kina, oh. Dead dress. Kina, dead dress,
Weapons yan.
Josh.
Ayun, oh, nakasuot.
Josh, oh, weapon, Josh. Mga World War II. Mga missile ng mga ano. Jo, mali ka rito. Ito yung mga missile, mga old artifacts nung World War II. So, Japanese time, oh. Puro, yung mga cup nila, pan-Japanese yata yun.
May taas pala.
Oo, sa taas. Tayo. Ayan, oh. Ay, yung mga lumang, mga ano, antique, oh. Oo.
Kitchen to...
Kitchen tools, mga old school. I mean, old school. Vintage. O, kalabaw, oh. Ay, mga pang, ano, pang...
Rusty old.
Ayun yung iron nila, kin. So, they put charcoal inside and to iron the clothes when there's no electricity.
This is the sewing machine.
And that's the horn of the Carabao.
Let's go to look at the other side.
Yes.
I will put it on the right. Yung isa-isa.
Ito, ay window na pala. Kala mo. Ano pa, no? Painting? Nope. Ganda ng ano ba to, oh? Sipin mo. Ano yung bato niya? Yes.
There's a saw.
Where? Ah, that's tools for, you know, some old stuff.
Oh, this one. Oh, it's from guns from
Yeah.
Dead Rays. Hey, there's a
Oh,
crab.
that's like vintage.
There's a
Yeah.
crab. Oh, and there's guns rifle.
Rifle, yes.
Ah, ito yung pila nila.
See?
Ay, mukha nung...
Ganda.
Touch the red.
Farming.
Ito yung
Yeah, I
barbell
see it
nila,
like
oh.
This. Touch the red like that.
Yes. Let's go on the other side, guys. Doon sa labas, may hagdanan.
Ito?
Oo.
Ito?
Wala dyan. Doon sa kabila, sa labas. Dito sa labas. Nakita ko. View deck dito sa side. Ayan, pataas. Akyat kayo. Oh, dito pa si Satanas ah. Sige. Viewing deck to.
Dito sa kabila, oh.
Dito sa kabila, guys. Oh, it's the sea.
Can we go to the sea?
Later. Let's go here first.
Ito yung pebbles na ano. Ay, nakasara.
Aray ko.
Ay, Diyos ko. Pala dito.
Saan? Ay, we should go out here, Gina, a while ago. Asan? Aray, wag mo, Jama, aray, just aray, wag mo akong sulatan. O
Yo, punta ka doon.
Gina, it's like a time space warp.
Ano ba yung dito katina?
Dito naman tayo sa bandang beachfront ng bahay na bato, di ba? Meron pa beachfront.
Wala na, mainit doon.
Ay, ang ganda. Amo muna yung mga anak mo. Ito yung mga stone nila, oh. Init pero worth it naman. Tingnan mo yung mga kubo. Tao ba? May tao ko. Ay, wala. Mabahay dun. Sa Jom and Josh. Ito. Tara, punta tayo sa bandang beachfront. Oy, eto na. Kung ang Boracay may white sand beach, dito may Graba Beach or Pebbles Beach. Kins, please mention their kins on the sign.
Swimming not allowed.
Swimming not allowed. Oh my God.
But we just get some rocks and put it on the ocean.
All right.
We're just putting on the ocean.
Ganda, diba? Dito po yan sa bahay ni Senator Bato. Okay, 360 view muna. Vlogger yan. Pagbigyan. Aray ko! Napaka hangin at fresh ng hangin dito. Sa tabi ng dagat. Mga bata. But swimming not allowed. Wala. Okay. Explore naman natin ang ibang side ng bahay na ba to. Let's check it out. Camera.
Hi. What's our last destination?
Aurero Hotel Resort.
Yeah. And that's where we're gonna swim. And we're gonna swim with, and you're gonna swim with us. See that? Where you get spike?
Yeah, on the cactus. Ah, Pokemon. See, Kina? Go there.
That's not
Oh, there's a giant king crab here. King crab or
Wait,
rock crab.
king stone crab.
And there's a dinosaur. Cute dinosaur. Oh.
I'm Nami.
Okay, you're the navigator. Oh, careful. Is it wrong way?
Maybe. Then where's the exit?
Let's go here, Kina. Let's explore here. Maybe they're inside. Kina and I are lost.
What?
We don't know where her mom and her brother. But we're in a welcome to Museum 2. Ooh, guitar kins.
Favorite.
Yeah, that's my favorite. Uy, wangod.
There's also old guitar.
Yes.
So we need to find mommy.
Maybe let's go up, kins. Kina, let's go up.
Mama,
Let's go.
we need to find our.
Maybe they're up. Ang ganda naman art. Ito, lumang bahay. Let's go up.
There's an old TV.
What? Oh, the old TV. This is... Oh, the classic Kinso.
Yeah, and
Okay.
their TV's like gray.
Why the TV has a door, Kins?
That's a cabinet.
That's cabinet. This is the wooden
This
iron
is the
stand.
TVs. This the like 1990. This the 1770.
770.
Now let's go down and find my mommy and my brother.
Okay. Sounds like a good plan. Okay.
So we're not gonna go there. That's mommy.
Maybe they went out for exit. Let's see. There's a lot of trail here, Kina, right?
So maybe it's right over here.
Okay. I'm following you.
Then my mind's thinking, they're already in the car.
Is it?
Yeah, my mind.
Or maybe they go on this way. What do you think? This way? Let's see.
No, that's the entrance. Maybe.
No, maybe let's check first here, Kins. Before we go back.
Maybe.
Oh. Go.
But maybe here.
Yes, let's see. Careful.
If we find the what is that? If we find a frog with underpants, means we're almost there with mom. With
Yes.
my brother. So we did it. Yeah, we're in the wrong place.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me check first.
We did it. There's no frog with underpants.
Huh?
Yeah, it has like that.
Is this a coffee? This is a coffee shop, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's go back. So maybe they
Go inside,
they're
Kins. I told you. Kins. Wow. Ah. Bahay na ba to o bahay mo? O bahay nyo? At nauhaw si Kins sa mga boys. Let's see, Mary's saying, I need to go here. Oh, may matching music pa. Wow, another art. Let's go up. Ang ganda ng view dito sa bintana, di ba? Sarap sigurong magising yung bahay mo sa tapat ng beach front, tapos ganyan ang view. Okay, up to the next trail. Oh, may coffee shop dito. Oh. Careful. Ay. Takot si Mami sa chicken. Okay. Trail Park. Palabas na yan, Jom. Talagang literal na bato-bato talaga dito. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. Pati dito. Pero ang ganda mga pebbles. Di siya graba. Pebbles siya. And pabalik na kami sa exit. So let's go to our next destination. And we're heading to our last destination, the Arero Resort. Excited na kasi yung mga bata, si Kids at si Josh na mag-swimming sa pool at sa beach.
A few moments later.
Here we are at Arero Resort.
Wait lang.
Oh, we're in Arero Resort now. Ito siya. What you will say? Are you excited?
Yeah. And guys, we're already in Arero Resort Hotel. And we don't know where our room is. And first we need to remove our backpack and luggage.
Okay. Thank you. Doon na, pasok na ako kayo. Nag-book pala kami dito through Agoda. But since yung nakuha naming room ay hindi tabi ng pool, ay naisipan namin mag-upgrade na lang para malapit sa swimming pool ang mga bata. Buti na lang at may bagong open silang unit ngayon sa bagong building nila. So pupunta kami ngayon sa other side ng resort.
A few moments later.
Josh, thank you. Thank you. Dito pasok ka. Bago to, bago pa lang. Kids.
Bali sa boots natin mga till 10 p.m. naman tayo. Sa beach po, sinabot lang tayo.
Dito,
Dito, anytime.
Thank you. Josh, yung gamit. Okay, syempre room check muna tayo, guys. Wow. Upgrade. Para maka-ano tayo, maka-access tayo sa swimming.
Also, we have a sign on back of
Yes.
the bed. Also, there's a map here. There's a map from the Aurora.
Okay. Okay. There's the light. Here is the toilet. Oh, bago. Okay. Dahil bago pa lang. Alright, kanina pa excited ang mga bata mag-swimming. So, let's go! Na, swimming na si Kina. Ito yung connecting sa room. Ang pool. Madam. Where's your brother Joshkins? Buti na lang walang masyado ring mga naka-check-in dito sa site namin. Siguro mga 3 o 4 lang out of 10 or 12 na rooms. Pakuha na mo nga ang tubig si Jo. Napaka-relaxing mag-unwind dito habang pinapanood ng mga bata nagsiswimming. So, it's a family bonding and also a time to refresh and enjoy life. Especially spending it to your family. So, explore muna natin ang beach side ng Alright. Ito yung pool nila. Wow. Ito pababa dito. Yan. Oo nga. Pool ba yan? Sige. Ang laki ng walis. Wow. Para beach side. Okay, dito tayo sa beach area of La Union. Vitamin C. Kids. Yay! Sabo ka.
Daddy.
There! Kina, let's go first there. Mommy said. Ito may boat. Banana boat.
No. 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 No.
Dami nag-swimming, guys. Dito tayo sa kabilang side.
Alex's confidence sa
So, maraming pool pala ang Aurora Resort. So, nandito kami sa kabilang side. So, gusto namin mapuntahan yung tinatawag nilang loop swimming pool. Kung saan medyo mahaba yung swimming pool na paikot-ikot lang. So, let's explore. And especially yung mga kids ay gustong makapag-swimming doon dahil merong din mga kiddie pool na merong mga slides. So, let's check it out. Oh, let's explore. Ito yung loop pool. Oh, sige, sige na. Saan ka? Hanap tayo ng maupuan dear. Loop pool. Ayan, paikot lang yan, tara. Ah. Yes, yes. Tingin ka muna. Habang titignan ko yung mga anak. Dahil medyo pa sunset na rin, ay naisipan naman namin dito na lang muna sa beach spot mag-swimming. Kids! Kina! Tara! Kids! Kins! Kins! Look! Kina! Hi! Where are you going, Kins? Yes!
Guys, why we're going to the sea again? Because remember when you're watching my video Boracay, I accidentally took out in the Boracay. Now we're gonna go to the ocean of Boracay. Look at the sea, the beautiful sea is right over here, and it's kind of like sunset. Let's go, bro. Okay.
Kins! Kins, dito! Josh! Kins! Kins! Josh! Josh, hi!
Hi.
Hello! Napaka-relaxing talaga ng sunset at ang waves ng sea. Jump! At medyo padilim na ay bumalik na kami sa malapit na pool dito sa aming room. At as you see, walang masyado nagsiswimming kaya parang solo mo na rin. O diba? Hello dear! Meron pa rin banana boat. Wow, napakakaroon ng water. Hints. Oh, look. Hints, look. Hi. Give your glass, kids. Woo. Jo, mawakan mo si Kins. Cellphone ko. Hawak ka cellphone.
I need a goggle. I need a goggle.
Hawakan mo. Lagay ko muna doon.
Dito nga.
A few moments later.
At after nga namin mag-dinner sa labas, ay naisipan namin mag-night swimming ng buong family dito sa aming mini private pool. Alright, let's do it. Night swimming daw mga kids. Dito sa aming mini pool. Mini pool daw. Kids, dito ka? Swimming tayo. Ay, mami, yung magjo-join na. Okay. Ina, where's the video?
Family photo.
Yay! See, look, kids, Josh, ito, ito. John, mali ka rin tayo, John. Para makita tayo sa video. John, tawagin na tayo.
Hi guys.
Naka-video yan.
Oh, oh, oh. Hello, fans. If you're watching this video, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Do not forget.
Si Job.
Watching na tayo, Dos. Okay, sir.
Job, paano naman? Out.
Bye.
Bababa.
Ready, steady, stop.
Tayo na.
Time match. Ay.
Steady, steady.
Hoy. Okay.
7, 8.
Go. Dos, tira. Dos, tira. Dos, tira. Dos, tira. Yes.
Ready, set, go!
Josh!
Hello.
The next day.
Okay guys, second day na dito sa Aurero Hotel. Okay, so let's have our morning breakfast. Let's check it out. Okay, ito yung breakfast. Yeah. Yeah. There. Ah,
Can we go back or go there and go there because
this.
it has a slide.
Yes. Yeah, oh, pwede dyan. Dito na. Oh, sige. Beans, oh. Let's see the food here. Uy, may longganisa. Kuha ka na, Jom. Corn beef. Hindi nawawala corn beef. Uy. Taiwanese sausage, Josh. Taiwanese sausage. Taiwanese sausage. Meron sila. Chick bites. Of course, for the kids. Creamy pork steak. Kung mahilig ka sa pork. Yan. Of course, sunny side up. Nandyan lagi yan. Then, a scrambled egg. Then, of course, yung mga condiments dito. Wala yung ice cream, mamaya pa lunch yan. Dito naman, okay, steamy rice. Of course, Filipino. Okay, may fried rice tayo. Okay, meron din pancit bihon. And potato. Steer vegetables. At daing na bangus. Ay, daing na dilis pala. Sorry naman. Ito yung ginagawa nilang pool sa labas. Extension. Meron silang pang bata. Ayun o. Kaya lang sabi nila, inopel ng ilang beses tapos under enhancement pa rin siya. So, sayang. Hindi pa laro ni Kina. Ito ay pinapaganda lalo nila. Laki ng resort na to. Josh 3. Ganda dito sa labas, oh. Yan na, kain muna tayo, guys. Let's have a breakfast.
Hello guys, now we're in day 2 of La Union Herrero. Now, after we eat, we're gonna go to the kids playground water park and we're gonna get some fun. But first, we need to eat. And my food is cereal mix.
Okay. Okay, that's it, kids. So, kain-kain muna kami, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay. Swimming muna after mag-breakfast. Kina nandito sa pool. And si Jom nagpaiwan while si Josh, sasamahan natin siya. Gusto nyo daw ay sa beach. So, bantayin natin yung batang yan. Ay, malakas ang alon. Josh, mataas ang alon. Di ka pwede doon after sa ano. Ano yung towel mo, Pax? Magja-jogging. Dito mo lagay, Josh. Ayun. And here you go, Kim. Here you go, kids! Whoop! Nice light sila dito, dalawa. Yellow and red. Wow! Go on. Hi guys. Go Josh. Wow! Dito naman ulit sa kabilang pool si Kins, medyo sa harap ng beachfront. Talagang sinulit ng mga bata ang pagsiswimming, mapa beach man or mapa swimming pool. Kasi gustong gusto na talaga nilang mag-swimming.
Mommy, you take care of me, huh? But Daddy, you're gonna take care of Rocky.
Yes. Okay? Siyempre, di rin papahuli si Mami. Nag-swimming na rin. With a style. At lastly, bago mag-checkout, meron pa kaming 1 hour to swim. So, sinulit talaga namin ang pagsiswimming. At dito na lang yan sa aming mini private pool. So, kung papasyal kayo ng La Union at naghahanap kayo ng magandang resort, I recommend itong Awero Private Resort. Talagang mag-enjoy ka and very peaceful at very calm ang scene at maraming swimming pool dito. At tabi pa ng beach pool. Napakalinis din at malapit sa mga ibang mga night market dito, mga kainan. So, just 10 minutes away mula sa resort at napaka-friendly ng mga staff dito. Sulit na sulit ang staycation nyo dito sa resort na to. Kaya guys, alam nyo na kung saan ibubuk to, sa Agoda lang. Arero Resort, baka naman.
A few moments later.
Okay, nandito muna kami at dito kami sa One Piece, ay hindi pala, dito sa stopover, dito sa mga nagtitinda ng mga dried fish. Yan, daming tanggip, may mga walis, may mga crates, iba't ibang danggit na galing sa dito
Magkano ba nito?
sa Ilocos. Ay, hindi Ilocos, Ilawin yun pala. May bilis, may pusit, meron. Ayan. Ito. Bili muna tayo.
Ilang kasi?
Alright guys, ito ay pauwi na kami bound to Pampanga. So salamat sa panonood sa aming vlog. See you on our next adventure. Please like and subscribe. Bye!